Hello students, I am Prasanna. Welcome to my channel Mathematics by Prasanna Lakshmi. Today in this video I want to discuss about simple interest. Here, simple interest is an easy method of calculating the interest for a loan or principal amount. So simple interest is a concept which is used in most of the factors such as banking, finance and automobiles, etc. so on. Okay, so here in this video let us discuss the definition of simple interest, formula, and how to calculate the simple interest with the examples, right? So when you make a payment for a loan, first it goes to the monthly interest and remaining goes towards the principal amount. So about all this I am going to discuss in detail, right? Now money borrowed, that is nothing but principal. What is principal? Here money borrowed or lent out for a certain period is called the principal. So definition will be money borrowed or lent, okay, out for a certain period is called the principal. So this money would be used by the borrower for some time before it is returned, right? So for keeping this money for some time, the borrower has to pay some extra amount. Some extra amount or extra money to the bank. This is known as the interest. So interest is nothing but extra money paid for the privilege of using the principal, right? So the amount that is repaid back is equal to sum of the borrowed principal and the interest. So finally what we are giving amount. This amount includes principal plus interest. So principal is nothing but the money borrowed or lent out for a certain period, and the interest is nothing but the extra money what we are paying back for usage of this principal, and the amount is nothing but the principal plus interest. So interest is generally expressed as a percent of the principal for a period of 1 year. So it is written as, say, for example, 10% per year, right? Or per annum, year or per annum, or in short we can say 10% per annum. So 10% per annum means on every 100 rupees borrowed, 10 is the interest, rupees 10 is the interest we have to pay for 1 year. So what is simple interest? We will discuss again in detail. What is simple interest? So simple interest is the method of calculating the interest amount for some principal amount of money. Have you ever borrowed a money from your siblings, children, when your pocket money is exhausted? Yes. Yes. What happens when you borrow money? You use that money for the purpose you have borrowed, right? In the first place. After that, you will return the money whenever you get the next month's pocket money from your parents, right? This is how borrowing and lending works at home. But in the real world, money is not free to borrow. You often have to borrow money from the bank in the form of loan, right? During payback, apart from the loan amount, you pay some more money that depends on the loan amount as well as the time for which you borrow. This is called the simple interest. This term finds extensive usage in banking. Okay, so simple interest formula. So the formula for the simple interest helps you to find the interest amount if the principal amount, rate of interest, and the time periods are given. So simple interest is nothing but P into T into R by 100. P into T into R by 100. Then what is here SI means? SI is nothing but the simple interest. Okay. Then what is P? P is nothing but the principal. Next, what is R? It is nothing but the rate of interest or interest rate. Okay. So this will be in percentage. And what is time period? T is nothing but time period or time duration in years. It will be in years. So when the time period is given in months, you need to convert into years and do children. Okay. So in order to calculate the total amount, the following formula is used. Here amount. Amount is nothing but principal plus interest. So that is A is nothing but P plus I. Here when amount and principal is given, how to find interest? Interest is nothing but amount minus principal. So I is equal to A minus P. Okay. So here the amount A is the total money paid back at the end of the time period for which it was borrowed. Okay. Now coming to one example, children. Here Sunita takes a loan for rupees 5,000. Okay, at 12% rate of interest. Find the interest she has to pay at the end of 1 year. So what is the here loan taken is 5,000. So this can be taken as principal, that is P, rupees 5,000, and at 12% rate of interest. So rate of interest is, that is R is 12%, and rate of interest will be in percentage only. And find the interest she has to pay at the end of 1 year. So what is the time period here? Time period is nothing but 1 year. That is, we have to take as 1. And they are asking you to find what is the interest. Okay, children? And we also find what is the amount also in this. The interest and amount. So what is the interest formula? Interest or simple interest is same. P into T into R by 100. Okay. So what is the P here? 5,000. So 5,000 into time period is 1 year. Time period will be in years only, children. If they give in months, you have to convert into years and write. For example, 3 months means we have to write as 3 by 12. Okay. Now 6 months means 6 by 12. Now time period is 1 year and rate of interest is 12 by 100. So when I calculate, cancel this, so 12 by 60, so 600. So interest will be rupees 600. Okay. Now we will find the amount. Amount is nothing but principal plus interest. So what is the principal here? 5,000. So 5,000 plus interest is how much? 600. So finally when you add this, you will get 5,600. So amount is rupees 5,600 and interest is rupees 600. This is how we need to find the interest and the amount. Coming to second example, children. Namita borrowed 50,000 for 3 years at the rate of 3.5% per annum. So find the interest and the amount at the end of 3 years. Okay. So Namita borrowed. Here what is the principal, children? Here 50,000 is the principal. And 3 years is what? Time period. Okay. And rate of interest is how much? 3.5%. This can be written as 35 by 10%. Okay, you can convert this decimal into fraction. Here they are asking you to find the interest and the amount. So what is interest formula? P into T into R by 100. Okay. So what is P here? P is 50,000 into what is the time period? 3. Rate of interest is 35 by 10. So by 100. Okay, this 10 will come here. So 0, 0, 0, 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. So when you multiply 50 into 3 into 35. So 53 is a 150 into 35. So when you multiply 150 into 35, you will get 5,250. So 5,250 is the simple interest. Interest is 5,250. And they are asking you to find the amount also. So what is amount? Amount is nothing but the principal plus interest. So what is the principal here? 50,000 plus 5,250. So when you add here 50,000 and 5,250, you will get 55,250 rupees is the amount. So amount is rupees 55,250. So this is how we need to find the interest and the amount in simple interest.